Hi everybody, hope you're all safe and well. It's Mike here from Michael Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought we'd take a moment to walk you around this 2015 65 VW Caddy Maxi automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have available with us at the moment. Let's say this particular one's a very low miles, only done 7,900 miles from new. One owner car, ex-motability, so it has all the full service history I should expect from them. It's converted by alloyed vehicles, and this one will offer 5 seats plus space for the wheelchair or mobility scooter. It comes with an electric winch, that's what you can see in the middle, and the other two either side of the restraints to secure the front of the wheelchair. And then you'd have another two that clip on the back. This particular one as well also has a nice lightweight ramp, so it will lift up actually one-handed. So nice and easy to do, and it also comes with a very nice feature, fold flat function. And basically what that is, you can actually fold the ramp over on itself. There was another panel up there first which you'd fold down and then put that one, so you get a nice flat load floor. So if you aren't carrying on in a wheelchair, you've just got a normal car to use, which is a really nice feature. Comes with rear parking sensors, privacy glass, you can see. There's your 3 seats. They will all tip up, tip forward, and you can actually take them out if you wanted to. Front there, as you'd expect, 7,000 miles, it's all lovely and clean. Show you up the front. Say 7,900 miles from new. So that's all your air conditioning, CD radio. That's your automatic. Pretty sure these are 7-speed automatics as well. So they drive superb. So your electric windows, electric mirrors. If that's of interest, get in touch. Get in touch via email or give us a call and we'll answer any questions. Happy to take part exchange as well. And so we're based down in Weston-super-Mare. Thanks for watching.